Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About sin 2x, we change for 2 sin x, cosx. Next, sin x divided by sin x, so we simplify. We put number 2 outside. And 1 over cosine x we change for secant of x. The integral of secant of x we change for ln of the absolute value of secant of x plus tan x. And we put about c. And this is the final answer of the question number 1. Now we go to question number 2. Sin 2x we change for 2 sin x cosine x. Cosine x divided by cosine x. Number 2 we put outside. One over sin x we change for cosecant of x. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of this one, we have negative 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of cosecant of x plus cotan x. And we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.